காணப் பறவைகள் களகளவெனும் ஓசையிலும், காற்று மரங்களிடை காட்டும் இசைகளிலும் நெஞ்சைப் பறிகொடுத்த பாரதியைப் போல், கல்வி, கலை சார்ந்து இயற்கையுடன் இயைந்த இப்பல்கலைக்கழகத்தின் காணொளி இதோ. It's time to indulge in the scenic beauty of Bharathiar University. The Bharathiar University was established at Coimbatore by the government of Tamil Nadu in 1982, and the University Grants Commission recognized it in the year 1985 for grants. The university has 39 departments offering 54 postgraduate programs besides MPhil and PhD programs. It is an affiliating university with jurisdiction limits of Coimbatore, Erode, Tirupur and Nilgiris, with 133 affiliating colleges. The National Assessment and Accreditation Council (NAAC) have accredited the university with A grade in the third cycle of assessment. Bharathiar University is marching towards becoming a world-class university by garnering ranks in the international arena. In the NIT ranking, we got 14th rank under the category of university and 21st among the top 1,000 institutions under MOA category. And in the Times Higher Education Young Universities World Ranking, our university is in the band of 201 to 250. The state-of-the-art facilities in our university is accessible to faculty members and scholars, which nurtures a culture of research in cutting-edge areas. The university gives prominence to curriculum development by infusion of industries and involving industry experts like research managers, technical managers as special inviters in the Board of Studies. Our university is partnered with Ministry of Human Resource Development and established DRDO BU Center for Life Sciences as a joint venture with Defense Research and Development Organization and Premier Agency in the Ministry of Defense, Government of India, to pursue basic and applied researches. Bharathiar University Center for International Affairs facilitates admissions of international students through Study in India program and Indian Council for Cultural Relations program. It is in association with Indian universities, Commonwealth universities, and Sastry Indo-Canadian Institute. With a dedicated team of faculty and administrative members with vast experience in research and teaching, the university has emerged as one of the strong pillars of higher education in this region. We welcome all the participants to indulge in the scenic beauty of this university and to proudly associate with us as Bharathians. We welcome you all.